The history of air conditioning is the history of Daikin. Founded in Japan in 1924, the story of innovation and entrepreneurship is still unfolding throughout the world. Today, Daikin is present across the globe and has close to 60 production bases worldwide, together with nearly 185 consolidated subsidiaries. At Daikin, our research focuses on making our ACs greener by reducing their energy consumption and environmental impact. As a global leader in heating, ventilation and air conditioning, Daikin ACs match the best international standards. In India, rapid socio-economic development over the last 10 years has elevated the standard of living. With the billion-plus population aspiring for a better quality of life, a life of comfort and improved hygiene standards, the under-penetrated air conditioning market is beginning to surge.
Daikin India is the fastest growing air conditioning company, both in terms of market share and brand recall. We are moving from prominence to dominance.
With a host of offices, warehouses, partners and authorized service providers strategically placed all over the country, Daikin is ready to expand to Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. Daikin India began in 2000 and soon introduced the superior VRV technology that offers better control and efficiency. We have grown rapidly, investing in the technology for chillers and opening a state-of-the-art factory in Neemrana, Rajasthan. A factory that is ready to roll out the world's first HFC32-based air conditioning products. The Neemrana plant, supported by a network of global production bases, showcases the application of advanced technology. It houses a sub-research center that caters to making advancements for Indian needs. A computerized quality control system and data management facilitates uninterrupted production.
Daikin has what it takes to be a leader globally. Strong processes, passionate people and excellent products. We are an integrated HVAC company with solutions spanning across multiple applications, industrial, light commercial and residential.
From giant chillers to the most advanced designs in room air conditioners, consistent innovation powers our vision to stay ahead as leaders. Distribution channels are strengthened by creating spaces to display all products under one roof, so that customers can have an immersive experience of the products in their entirety. Daikin has created over 70 solution plazas across the country and now has a 2,000+ strong network of dealer partners and employees that form a happy Daikin family.
The future for Daikin in India is very exciting and we are ready.
From better business to better lives, Daikin will be with you for every step of the way. Daikin, everywhere with you.